Hello and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Deutsch. In this event course, lesson 4, we will learn about German nouns and gender, also definite and indefinite article. Be noted that in German, nouns are always capitalized and are to be used with gender. You will also watch that German nouns has different genders. Let's have a look on definite article of nominative case. In German, we have three different gender: der, die, das, which is equivalent to English the. I would like to start with first gender, which is masculine in form, der. We see the example of noun der Mann, which is equivalent to the man. The personal pronoun for der Mann is er, which means he. Now let's look der, die, das in the feminine form. Here we see the example of die Frau, and it means the women. Also we have the personal pronoun sie, which means she. At last, we have the gender das. It is neutral form. Here we see the example of das Mädchen, which means the girl. Sometimes gender is natural, as we saw in earlier cases. Der Mann, the man, is masculine. Die Frau, the woman, is feminine. But some exceptions are there too. As you can see, das Mädchen means the girl is neuter. So in some exceptions, there is no specific rule, and we have to learn other nouns with gender. Let's continue with das Mädchen. In the neutral form, we say es, which means it. Now we are going to look at der, die, das in the case of plural form. In the plural form, we have die Männer, which means man. Die Frauen, which means women. And lastly, die Mädchen, which means girls. Point to be noted that the gender for the plural form is always die. The personal pronoun for that is sie, which means they. Now we are going to give a closer look how the noun is changing from singular to plural form. Let's start with the singular form der Mann, which means the man, is changing to die Männer, which means man. Die Frau, which means the woman, is changing to die Frauen, which means women. And lastly, das Mädchen, which means the girl. In plural form, it's being die Mädchen, which means girls. And here you can see that there is no changes in Mädchen. Das Mädchen, die Mädchen. Now we continue with indefinite articles ein and eine, which means a or an. First, we will look at the nominative case of masculine form. Ein Mann, which means a man. Here a point to be noted that ein basically means one, and like the definite article, it also indicates the gender of the noun it is used with. In the case of feminine form, we have the word eine Frau, which means a woman. And in the last case, in neutral form, we have the example of ein Mädchen, which means a girl. Here, point to be noted that eine is only used in feminine case, and for masculine and neutral form, only ein is correct. And notes. Please practice properly and contact me on the comment box if you face any problem. If you have missed our previous lesson, then check it from the end screen and from the description too. Hope you all will be with German Lehrer and watch our next video. Subscribe and inspire us. Tschüss!